Hello, this is Patrick White with AA Commodities and Investments with your Thursday, July 16th morning market update. At 7:40 a.m., we've got outside markets slightly lower here. The September S&P is down 26 points at 3193. The September Dow Jones is down 217 points at 26,548. The stock market is seeing some light pressure here this morning. The market has been feeling pressure as yesterday the president signed a bill ending the preferential treatment of with trade status of Hong Kong. The bill essentially makes Hong Kong treated the same as mainland China on trade and intellectual property and other economic issues. China was planning on counting ag imports into Hong Kong as part of their Phase 1 trade agreement with the U.S., but now those purchases may be tougher to make. Traders are concerned that the move could escalate issues on trade further, and as China has promised to respond here, and so far we're waiting on that response. So far, the issue has sparked only light selling, and the bull trend longer term remains healthy for the stock market at this time. The grain market here is mostly higher overnight. We've got corn up 2.25 cents here on the December contract at 336.25. November soybeans are up 4 cents at 887 even. Corn is seeing some light short covering here as the market has been pretty beat up here this week. Traders are still pricing in the good weather that has happened and the additional rainfall coming. The recent 125 plus million bushels of corn sold to China in these last three sales announced here late last week and early this week are keeping attitudes about higher yields somewhat at bay. The market is still going to need to see a drier forecast or continued export sales in this fashion in order to continue to see corn bid higher and keep these lows intact. The soybean market has seen some more decent buying here overnight. The Chinese are continuing their buying spree with 6 cargoes of soybeans confirmed to be sold yesterday and as many as 15 cargoes rumored to have totally been sold and more expected to be announced. The strong expectation around export sales is keeping the 871 low in the November contract intact despite the beneficial rainfall that fell yesterday throughout Iowa and parts of northern Missouri, and more expected to be on the way. Traders will continue to be watching export sales announcements and weather, especially for the western Midwest going forward, as it's still supposed to be hot and dry for the next 2 weeks. So that's all I've got for today, and have a productive day out there. And remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give me a call at 712-262-7606. Thanks.